Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I did this analysis on Thursday, and I definitely want to do it again because volume has stayed very, very strong. Sure, it went to even new lows today, but quite frankly, that makes this chart that much more interesting. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while and you've seen stocks in this price range, just get beat down. I mean, no need to beat around the bush. This, no pun intended. But this has been a total smackdown. But the thing is, this price range, that can produce some very interesting, dynamics in terms of very impressive movements back to the upside. Sure, that it might just be a dead cat bounce, but regardless, from a trading standpoint, it can still be very profitable. And what really stands out here is check out how just absolutely tight the range got the remainder of the day. I mean, look at that big old range. I mean, those were some big old candles with the big old bodies. And now you look, such a tight range, and then you factor that in with the final 30 minutes of the day. And I guess now that I think about it, it's Friday, so the final 30 minutes of the week. And does this all mean that it's for sure going to bounce? No, there's no such thing as a for sure, but it's at least a valid point to throw out there. So does this mean for sure guaranteed the bottom? No, but is it at least a rational thought to have? Absolutely. But as always, this is why risk management and being able to honor stop losses and such is so important, because if you don't have risk versus reward control and all that, then these things can get you into trouble. But definitely the key level of support going forward right there at 117 from the support side of things. And this will be hard to see just because, I mean, like I said, it is what it is with a big gap down. But then there's also this area of resistance right there to keep an eye on, where if the price can get a good high volume break of that, I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee or anything in the market, but a good high volume break of that trend line would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially get up to the $1.40, $1.50 mark. So we'll see what happens with it, but certainly an interesting setup going into next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.